Constitutional morality is a sentiment that is, in a sense, alien to India. That democracy is topsoil on a deeply and fundamentally undemocratic social fabric. The Indian Constitution, in its fundamental rights chapter, is an exercise in multiple redundancies. They say the same thing over and over again in many different ways to avoid any possible ambiguities in subsequent judicial interpretation. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was Home Minister, went before the Constituent Assembly and said that he spent a sleepless night before he gave his consent to the retention of the preventive detention clauses in the Constitution. Now, over time, of course, these rights came to be diluted. The biggest challenge that we have as a nation as we enter our 75 years of independence is perhaps to make equality before the law a reality for everybody in this country. Equality before the law, I think, has remained a fictional promise. It has not yet been realized anywhere near the way it should be. So where do we go about finding the correctives for these things? And we have to assert ourselves as a country of a very rich and diverse cultural inheritance. And for that we need fundamental rights chapter remains integral to our identity as a republic. Finally, there is no escape from the necessity to address the issue of economic equity if we are to remain true to our promises to ourselves at the time that we adopted our Republican Constitution.
Watch the full video on India Inclusive YouTube channel.